In the previous lecture, you have now learned what a stock is and a little bit about the principle behind the stock market. But how do you actually go about buying stocks? Thankfully, you don't have to go down into the trading pit and yelling and screaming your order. There are two main ways to purchase a stock. The most common method to buy stock is to use a brokerage. Brokerages come into two different flavors. Full services brokerages offer you expert advice and can manage your account. They also charge a lot. Discount brokerages offer little in the way of personal assistance but are much cheaper. At one time, only the wealthy could afford a broker since only the expensive full-service brokers were available. With the internet came the explosion of online discount brokers, and thanks to them, nearly anybody can now afford to invest in the market. Dividend reinvestment plan DRIPs and direct investment plan DIPs are plans by which individual companies for a minimal cost allows shareholders to purchase stock directly from the company. DRIP are a great way to invest a small amount of money at regular intervals. We will surely bring the videos on the updates of the stock market on this channel. So if you have not subscribed it yet, then do it now for the regular new updates on the stock market and increase the basic understanding of the market and use it to have a very wonderful future. All the best, guys. This is Anand Cholkar.